Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iMessage activation error on iPhone, iPad and other iOS devices. If you are facing problem while activation iMessage on iPhone and you face this type of problem, iMessage activation and error occur during activation, try again. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So now let's get started. How you can fix this problem. First of all, here you'll have to open setting of your iPhone device. Then here you'll have to make sure that you are using a strong internet connection. If you're using a Wi-Fi, you will have to disconnect with Wi-Fi device and again connect with the Wi-Fi. And if you're using mobile data, then you will have to turn off your mobile data and turn it on after 30 seconds. Then after that, here you will have to scroll it down. Here search for iMessage. So here is iMessage. Just simply tap on this. Then after that, here you will have to turn off focus tool and turn it on again. And after that, here you will have to disable iMessage, and after 1 minute you will have to enable it again. And after that, here you will have to check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then again open setting of your iPhone device. Then here you will have to tap on general, tap on software update. Here you'll have to make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest iOS version. And after that, check that a problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then here you will have to go back. Again, open iMessage. So here is iMessage. Just simply tap on this. And after that, here you will have to scroll it below. And then here you will have to tap on send and receive. After that, here you will have to select your Apple ID instead of number and check that the problem fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then again open setting of your iPhone device. Then here you'll have to tap on general, tap on scroll it below, tap on VPN and device management, and here you will have to make sure that you are not connected with any VPN. If you are connected with VPN, then you will have to disconnect with that VPN and try again later. And check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then here you will have to close this tab, open Safari browser. In search bar, you will have to search for Apple server status. Just simply tap on this. And then here you will have to tap on here. And after that, here you can see that here is all services are operating normally. Here you will have to make sure that the Apple server is working normally. Then after that, after making sure that the Apple server is also working normally and you are still not enable to active iMessage, then here you will have to again open setting of your iPhone device. Then tap on general. After that, here you will have to scroll it below, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset, and here you will have to tap on reset network setting. And after that, here you will have to enter your iPhone passcode and check that the problem fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then you will have to contact with Apple Support, and Apple Support will solve your problem within 24 hours. So this is the way through which you can fix iMessage activation error. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.